Gave up on the live app. Just keeps crashing. So we're gonna do it this way. Record and post. We're back in the early 2010s. It's all record and post, no live. Anyway, I did see that they are installing cell phone boosters throughout the wonderful naval base installation that I work at. So I should be able to have enough bandwidth to do the live thing. Although it hasn't been crapping out here. Been crapping out halfway down Rosecrans. Can't quite figure it out. Day of the June Gloom. This weekend's supposed to be nice, so I'll believe it when I see it. Looked at the satellite maps on the internet there. Man, I don't know what it is, but it shows no clouds. Well, I hate to say it, there's a bunch of clouds, and it ain't smog. It's nice. It's nice and fresh. It's definitely moisture rain clouds. Oh well. Been a whole week without the sun. There was one day where it was kind of sunny. And when you're San Diegan implant acclimated himself to the weather. First 2 months he was here. Got cold when it was under 70 degrees, and used to the sunshine. Hell, the first year I was here, it rained maybe, and then it wasn't even rain, it was like sprinkle. Maybe 2 days, or just sun. I was like, why do you even have a weather person? It's just get up, put on whatever you want to wear, go. It's fantastic. But I fully understand that we're on a giant planet that revolves around the sun in a wobbly fashion that wobbles around the galaxy. As much as you want to say that can of Raid or whatever the hell, this car in front of me, my motorcycle, causing the air to make the climate change. Although I do not disagree that it doesn't add to it. I'm pretty sure that it has minimal effect as to the way the planet goes around in outer space. And you can argue that with yourself, because you ain't arguing with me, because you ain't changing my mind. Just because you read in a book that Jessica Alba, Pamela Anderson, Charlie Sheen just got off as second girl of the night, I think that your hairspray cans causing radical changes in the climate. You go ahead and believe that. That's fine with me. I ain't got no quarrel with you. I ain't buying it. I'm not going in that store and making a purchase. I did, however, purchase this green machine. 2016 Kawasaki ZX10. Kawasaki Racing Team Edition. KART. Came with a full Graves exhaust. Headers, carbon fiber exhaust. Sounds wonderful. And the dealer I bought it from made sure that it was a program. So we're good to go. Got me some Dunlop Q3 tires, made in the USA. I mean, the bike's not made in the USA, so I had to have something made in the USA. I believe my battery, no, the battery's probably made in China, but I got one of those lithium-ion batteries. Weigh like 4 pounds versus the 50-pound lead-acid battery that you gotta add water to, and they don't hold the charge. They got rid of that crap. If you buy a bike, that's probably the first thing I would recommend you do. Get rid of that battery. Matter of fact, bike manufacturers shouldn't even ship their bikes with lead-acid batteries. It's a weight savings. They work better. They charge faster. They are a little more expensive, but not much. I think they're like $10, $20. And then if you go like some name brand, they rip you off. Got mine off of Redzilla, Las Vegas, Nevada. Shipping is next day. It's fantastic. When they first opened, I was buying stuff. They were in Pennsylvania, and I was up in the New England area. Shipping wasn't that quick. Now it's fantastic. It's like it's almost like I could go to the store and just pick the stuff up. It's great. Watch, decide, and ride, man. This guy's got it down. I even like the little how-to videos. They show you how to put stuff in sometimes. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. They're only bike specific. My old Hayabusa there it was an 05, so it's dated. Great website, Revzilla. Psycho Gear is cool, but I like that they have little stores that you can go to and just pick up stuff. But I find the prices on Revzilla, it's kind of like the Amazon of bike parts. Hopefully there's no bus up here. What can Brown do for you? He can get the hell out of the way. That big ass truck. After all these years, they all drive the same truck. No, I guess it has been modified. I think like old 70s, 80s had that little bell nose on it. Time for an update, UPS. Thought I have that dude from Amazon buy him some new stuff. Pretty sure 90% of the packages on there are from Amazon. Although, now that I think about it, I think they struck a deal. Kept the post office from going bankrupt. They got them to deliver packages on Sunday. If that's not magic, I don't know what it is. Because they made a government worker go to work on a Sunday. Not easy to do, I'll tell you that. I don't know who's going, these guys or me. Oh, they're going. Sit back and wait. Yeah, for whatever reason, at this intersection, Rosecrans and Lighton Street, the Live 4 app would just crash. I'm not sure. plenty of bandwidth. Let's get the boots with the fur. Just need some apple bottom jeans. I'm gonna whiz on by you. Getting the whiz. Get the whiz on. It's like a new word. Whiz on. There are multiple meanings. I mean, I'm going by you real fast, or peeing on you. Getting some whiz on. Hey, we're both green. Nice truck. Let's see, can I sneak on by here? I'd love to get by this bus. Oh yeah, we got it. I'd love to get by this brown, because brown can get out of my way. Yellow jacket. Woohoo! Got the radar detector. Hopefully it's not one of them Cobras. None of those cheap Cobra ones. Crap. Valentine 1 was the one to get, but they wanted like 550 bucks. Guaranteed to pay your ticket if you get caught. Told you what direction the radar was coming from. I always bought the what was it called? Eclipse? Can't remember it was the other one. It was like the step down from the Valentine one. They were a little cheaper. They were like $200 to $300. Well, I'm here to tell you that radar detectors are only good if the enforcer of the law is leaving his radar wrong. If he's got it on, or there's a lot of traffic, like a lot of traffic right here, if he like zaps somebody, he'll pick it up. But the best time to speed is when there's nobody there. Well, safest time. So it does you no good at that time, because he ain't gonna have it on because there ain't nobody else around. And then zap, guess what? You just got a ticket. Radar detector or not. So you know what the best radar detector is? Keep your friggin' eyes open, because they can't tag you if they can't see you. And of course, it's not always wise to go around and break the speed limit and all that good stuff. You know, speed limits are there for a reason. You know? Now you can accelerate as fast as you want, as long as you stay below that speed limit. I know that from a friend. I was just getting my whiz on. Home Skillet's got his 1985 BMW, and he tried to put like a matte finish on, like it was something special. Whizzing down the road, he's getting his whiz on. Pennsylvania plate. Not a fan of the state of Pennsylvania. I don't like any of their football teams. I don't like any of their baseball teams. I do like their steak and cheese. I'll give them that. Damn good steak and cheese. Can't remember which place was which, but they're right across from each other. One's got the provolone, and the other one's got the whiz. I think they say whiz on too. Oh, they say wit. Wit whiz. It's a little different. Well, there's three meanings. You can be whizzing by somebody, you can be peeing on somebody, or you can put some cheese whiz on your steak and cheese sandwich. good. Oh, for a brief moment, the sun god has touched us. Oh, that's a horrible patch of concrete. Glad I saw that. That is dangerous. Hell, I'll take all that federal funding tax dollars they saved of not building that damn bullet train and fix these goddamn roads. They can't even pick a friggin' concrete. They got gray, they got fucking tan. This is gridded, that isn't. And right there is a policeman. I'm gonna stay right on his tail. I think it's funny that they put undercover cars and then they put a DMV California government plate on it, like, and not to the spotlight on the side and those damn mag wheels they put on every cop car don't really spell it out. Well, it looks like he's off duty. Detective! Oh, rolling with the dubs! Dubs! Ain't seen pair. Oh, look, lost a center cap. Or some dumbass that can go speeding by on the right. Ain't gonna be me. Got my whiz on before I saw you. Caught on to you. Mighty hard to come out. Oh, it looks like the sun's out over the highway. I don't know. Everyone likes to live on the coast. I'm all about the desert. I don't like rain. I don't like snow. I don't like the cold at the night though. Already gets down to like in the 30s in Vegas. That's crazy. Of course, you know, that's December, January, whatever. I ain't liking that. Oh, we got a little mist going on. It looks like it's gonna rain. And the sun got my hopes up. So this is what they call rain in San Diego. Mist, sprinkles. Should have put some rain X on my helmet. Not really coming off. semi is gonna move over. That'll be bad. Bad. I'll stay right here until he goes. There. Oh, this is a bunch of crap. I swear to God, that band in the friggin' 80s never rains in Southern California. Lion ass malacas. With the Iron Megatron. Amazon, $55. You can see it right down there. Bright as hell. Brightest headlight you can buy. Save a life. Buy a light. Blink it. Lights up the daylight sky, man. It's fantastic. I've heard that word before. I don't remember what it means. I'm pretty sure it's not a person's name. Cayenta. I'm gonna look that up. I'm gonna Google that. Everybody's going to the fair. It rained on at the fair. Fried dough is gonna get soggy. Powdered sugar is gonna melt. I'm all set with that. I'll wait till it's nice and 100-degree warm at the end of the month. That's when you go. Kayenta. Maybe you can't see it with the camera, but that's what the plate says. K-I-E-N-T-A. Just like that. No more rain. It's like it hugs the coast. Drenches everybody on the I-5 and says, oh, you live in Poway? Oh, you don't need any rain. Oh, there's a desert town. Yeah, look at it, straight ahead. Sunshine on the hill, Black Mountain. God bless. I win the lottery, I'm going to build a big mansion on the side of that hill. Not on the top, there's too much radar, you fry yourself. All the microwaves. Be cooking. You won't have to put the pizza in the oven, just take it out the freezer and start cooking. Nice shades. Yeah, there's no sun out. Here I am with a mirrored visor. She's got the pose down. She's ready to walk the catwalk. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait, lady. Because we're going next. Come on, yeah! Yeah! had to be going home. Your Del Mar Trails Road right now. Make me stop. All these people behind me. I want to go. I want to get some places for rent at the Del Mar Villas. 500 square feet, $4,000 a month. No garage. No satellite TV allowed. Watch out, dude. Those wheels are small. You gotta have big wheels to ride on the sidewalk. You bust your ass. I can't skate, but I learned all about it when my kid was learning. I'm like a technical supervisor. That's about it. So I stood on this skateboard and launched it into the wall. Needless to say, I dented the wall. I didn't get back on it. Busted my ass too. I hit the tile floor hard. I was like, yep. This old dog can't learn this trick. Probably could if I really wanted to, but what's this say? Mr. SS Kills. Oh, fucking Nazi, man. Mr. SS killing people. Oh, Mrs. Skills? You can read that all kinds of different ways. I think it's Miss Skills. Get the 100D with the insane mode, though. That's big dollars. That's like 110? Yeah, 110K, I think. Something like that. Let's go. Let's see your skills, Miss Skills. I ain't racing you. I know you can beat me. Say what you want, people. Yeah, we got our Model X. We race motorcycles off the line all the time, and we kick their ass. Well, this being a 10, I might be able to put a little fight on, but we're racing a 600. He had nothing. Toasted. He was upset too. Every light he'd try again. Finally, by the 5th light, he was like, screw it. Nothing like beating a $10,000 to $20,000 sport bike off the line with a minivan. Everyone says it's not a minivan. It's a minivan. Not an SUV. You can call it a crossover if you want, but I mean, come on. There's nothing crossing on that besides people's attitude. You get beat. Nice shorts. Pizza night, Fresh Bros, best pizza in San Diego. Augie's is a close second. I like me some Augie's. Kids love Pizza Hut. I don't mind Pizza Hut. Used to be a Papa John's fan, but they fired Papa and they can go screw themselves. I ain't buying Papa John's no more. You could send me a box without the Papa on it because he didn't like the NFL. Kiss my ass, board of director. Bunch of malakas. Oh man, this thing stops on a dime when you wanted to. Gliding. Could have stopped about. Oh, that car behind me wouldn't have. Oh, that's a Tesla. The Tesla is behind me. Behind me, not beside me. Woman! Red light special. Not the kind you see in Amsterdam. Yeah, come on. Really? Oh, we got a walker. Oh, they get to turn again? Oh, that's some BS. Somebody needs to reprogram this light. Pick up the kids, pick up the pizza, chow, watch me a brand new episode of Ancient Aliens. That's good stuff right there, buddy. I don't care. I don't care if some of it's BS or not. It sure is interesting. Sure as hell makes you think too. Skaters and bikers. Don't worry, I ain't gonna run over. I watch for you people. I go slow in the neighborhood. I ain't no punk. Alright, maybe I am, but I don't feel like running over kids. I don't want anyone to run over my kids. Plus, kids like to wave. See, they're looking at me. They like motorcycles. What kid doesn't like a motorcycle? They like trucks, they like cars, they like motorcycles. They like airplanes. Boats. Right? When you get a little older, it's boats and hoes. Kind of like modify up. I get that song stuck in my head. Boats and hoes. Boats and hoes. Great tune. You can say what you want about Will Ferrell, but that there is a classic. Alright. I have arrived in the Samantha Fox Memorial Garage. There she is in all her 1980s beauty. She still looks good if you look her up on YouTube. Not that good, but she looks good for her age. Alright, this concludes our broadcast. Goodbye.